Hello all. In my first video about Melodics installing, I talked you through how to download it and install it and get started right away doing some lessons and a brief overview of the software. And so I did mention in that when you were choosing your first instrument, when you got started, that it didn't really matter. You could choose a different one later on. And so I wanted to quickly show you that. Notice when we're logged into my demo account here, it says get your 5 minutes practice. So that is here because this is a free account that I have to demo to you guys. And so when you have a free account, you have a 5-minute practice allotment. And so they give you it as a daily goal as well. Like make sure you get your 5 minutes practice in today. And so like what happens if after you've played 5 minutes worth of lessons that day, it will ask you to subscribe. Now, if you want subscription information, use the link in my description. I got it down there, and that'll tell you the most up-to-date information about their subscription packages that they have right now. Okay, so anyway, when you want to switch your instrument anytime, you can do this in the free mode, or if you're subscribed, or anything, you can switch your instrument and try different lessons. It's up here at the top. Okay, so you got home, learning, you, which is kind of like your profile page, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and then some settings. And so, but up right here at the top left, we're in drums right now, and then it's got switch instrument. Okay, so you just click that, and then it'll give you the option to continue with drums, which is what we started with, or you can go with pads or keyboards. And if you notice that if you start a keyboard, it'll recommend one to you. And so, or you can do the same thing. You can browse all courses. Like I said, you don't have to take the tracks that they set for you here. You don't have to jump on. You can go and browse through different ones, and you can preview them too when you're going through them. You can come here and see, oh, okay, well, I could play this one, I could play this one, and you can push the preview button. Oh, that's cool. Smoked out. As you push play lesson. And now we've got keyboard. And it shows you the preview. You can stop it. All right, and so now it will automatically, without me even having to tell it, use a different device. I have my keyboard and my drums connected to my computer on USB. And so immediately it knows that now we're doing keyboard lessons. I'm not going to use the drums. I'm going to use the keyboard. It's smart. It's how software probably always should have been. So we didn't have to go into any settings or change anything. It immediately knew when we switched over to keyboard lessons to now use the keyboard. And so I can take you through another video of going through the keyboard lessons and how to set up your keyboard and things. But that's how easy it is. If your keyboard is connected to your computer, go up there to the switch instrument. This is how you can get out of a lesson, by the way. These are the steps, and this is how you can browse back up. And so go to the switch instrument at the top left and change your instrument at any time. And then you can go through all the different lessons. And so like there's right now 3 different instruments to choose from. We've got trigger pads, drums, and keys. And there's lots of different lessons right now, especially even to play for free, just to give it a shot and see what works for you. I think it will. If you have not tried this software yet, and you are wanting to become a better keyboard player or a better drum player, try this software. There's a link in the description. You can download it for free. Watch my other video on how to install it if you need help with that. It's really, really cool. It's definitely a helpful learning tool for any musician at any level, in my opinion. All right. So that's how you switch instrument. Subscribe and watch for more. We've got more videos coming up. Bye-bye.